Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Pinterest account. Make sure to stick around till the very end so you don't miss any step and get back to pinning in no time. So let's dive in. So what you have to do is open your browser or you can open the Pinterest app on your device. Next, enter the email address and password associated with your Pinterest account you want to reactivate. And if you don't remember your password, you can reset it by selecting Forget your password. And once your information is entered, you can click on Login to access your account. And if you originally connected Pinterest through Facebook, then click on Continue with Facebook and then enter your Facebook login credentials. And if you connected through Google, then click on Continue with Google and then enter your Google associated credentials and then click on Next. You need to be able to log into the email account linked to your Pinterest to complete the reactivation. And if you do not have access to this email, Pinterest recommends creating a new account. And once logged in, your account will be deactivated. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.